everyone, this is the 8th lesson of the Introduction to Web Development with Django course. Today, we'll finish the front end of our website and see if it works or not. If it doesn't work, we'll do some debugging, find some mistakes, and try to make it work, right? So here we write, so in the main page, we forgot about the sign up link, and we need to add it today. So we write b class equals sign up. Oh, so Copilot is helping me. Oops, sign up. Let's close the b tag first, and then I'll explain what's happening. This will be just a class. We'll later add some CSS to it, so it will look prettier. But for now, it's just an empty class. Then we write a link from the urls.py, and it's called actually not sign up but registration. So we replace it with registration. Here we go. Then we write the name of the link, and we're kind of done with the front end of our authorization. Now let's try to run it. Python 3 manage.py on server. So we're running the server right now. Let's head to the website. So this website is basically our website. This is the main page, and as you guys can see here, we don't really have any front ends right now. We just have two links that lead to login page and sign up page. So let's check them out. So first will be login. As you guys can see here, we cannot there's an error that writes cannot access local variable form where it is not associated with a value. So the problem here is that it can't really find the form itself, and to solve it, we need to make a little change in our code. So the problems like that are often associated with views.py because it's our functionality, and in the views.py we'll give a specific attention to the form variable. And as you guys can see here, we didn't really define form except from this thing, right? And it is important to note that we need to define it again. So if request we need to define it again. It's almost always like that. So form will be authentication form. So even if request method isn't post, it will still show us the form, right? Now we need to head to our website again. Here it is, and we'll try to refresh it. Yay, here we go. We have a login page, right? There is still no link for the registration page. We need to fix it later. We go to the main page, and now we'll see sign up. We'll do the sign. I think we'll do the sign up in the further videos. So the problem here is linked to frontend and forms too, and we need to fix it. But in this lesson, we'll try to add a hyperlink for this text. So in order to do it, we just head to the login.html page, and here we see that we have a problem. So we misplaced some text. We need to write the text don't have an account inside the href. So we go like this, then we close the tag, A, then P. Copilot is helping us again. So now we head to the website to see if it works or not. Here we are. Let's refresh the page. And as you guys can see here, it was to the registration page. So in this lesson, we finished doing an actual code for our website, and we fixed some errors in the login page. And in the next lesson, we'll finish some errors with registration page and make everything work. Thank you for your attention.